So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook sign in approval not showing, authenticator prompt missing. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your approval is not showing, so guys, you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. To fix this issue, so guys, first thing, check internet connection on both devices. Authenticator need internet to receive the approval request. Ensure internet is on your phone and your computer. If internet is not stable, so guys, try to switch between your Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Okay, after that guys, open your Microsoft Authenticator app and manually you approve the request. Okay, sometimes the approval is waiting inside the app. Okay, so here you simply open your Authenticator and check there is no pending request in your authenticator. If any authentication is request pending, so first approve it, otherwise you decline if you not want to approve. Okay, then you try to send your notification again and sign in. Okay, then guys, you enable the notification for Authenticator app. It is very important. For this, simply long press on your application, then guys go to the app info. In the app info section guys, here you see the option of notification. In the notification, here you check the option of lock screen, pop-up and the badges, and here you see the option of default. Okay, then guys, you disable your battery optimization for the Authenticator. Battery saver can block the approval prompts. To fix this, first swipe down. Okay, and guys go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of battery. Otherwise you use this shortcut, simply go to the control panel and here you turn off your battery saver. And guys, you enable the background data. For enabling the background data, simply swipe down and long press on your authentication app and go here. And guys, here you see the option of mobile data and the Wi-Fi, and you simply turn on your mobile background. Okay, so these are the basic things that you can turn, and you also turn off your DND, don't disturb mode. Okay, so for this, simply again go to control panel and find your DND and turn it off. Okay, so guys, these are the basic things that